Hello friends, Ra-Fa beautiful. Hey, didn't understand? That's a Ra-Fa Bhasha and it's a secret language. Wanna learn? Please subscribe my channel and for notification press bell sign. So let's start. Observe first what I'm gonna say in Ra-Fa Bhasha. I'm taking one sentence for you, that is Ra-Fa beautiful means how are you? So you just have to understand where to put our Ra-Fa, that is after HO, Ra-Fa. In Ra-Fa, R word, you have to add after A, Ra-Fa, that is Ra-Fa, and in U, after YO, you have to add Ra-Fa, that is beautiful. The sentence would be Ra-Fa beautiful. Let's take one more sentence. How much is this? So we'll take a first word, that is how. After HO you have to add Ra-Fa, and the word would be Ra-Fa. We'll take next word, that is much. After MU you have to add Ra-Fa, that is Marfaj. In ease you have to add after I Ra-Fa, that is Irfiz. In this word you have to add after THI Ra-Fa, that would be Dirfiz, and the sentence would be like this: Ra-Fa Marfaj Irfiz Dirfiz. How much is this? What is available to eat? In this sentence we'll see Warfort, that is Warfort, okay, and in ease you have to say Irfiz. Available you have to say Arf available, and Turfu Irfit. So the sentence would be Warfort Irfiz Arf available Turfu Irfit. I'm vegetarian. Let's have a look with the Ra-Fa Bhasha. Arf I am very vegetarian. I'm vegetarian. Food was great. So you would say food was great fit in Ra-Fa Bhasha. I didn't enjoy the food. Let's have a look with the Ra-Fa Bhasha. Arfai derfent, elf enjoy, derfe food. I didn't enjoy the food. Is there anything else? Let's have a look in Ra-Fa Bhasha. Irfiz, derfer, erfeni tirfing, erfels. Is there anything else? It's expensive. In this sentence, we'll see Irfit's expensive. It's expensive. Let's learn about the phonic with Ra-Fa words. I'm taking please word, so there would have to say please. Available. In this word you have to say available. In vegetarian word you have to say with the Ra-Fa Bhasha, we're vegetarian. Expensive. In this word you have to say in Ra-Fa Bhasha, expensive. So learn this secret language and have fun. Speak with your friends in Ra-Fa secret Bhasha. Please subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, please. Thank you, beautiful. Perfect.